this time of the year again.
Time to give and time to care for others.
We are launching Christmas Giving Tree in 2025 today.
We plan to raise 30,000 zlotys to help children and teenagers.
Therapeutical workshops for teenagers from Youth Reformatory Centre.
Cultural and entertainment programs for young people leaving children's homes in Warsaw.
Organizing a trip for various homes from Lubelskie.
All donations will be available via online payment on Pankracy Foundation.
Merry Christmas!
Hello there. You find me with my friends from Year 2 who are helping me this afternoon to raise awareness for our Christmas Giving Tree this year, where we're trying to raise some funds through the Pankracy Foundation for children who are perhaps not as fortunate as we are and may not have had the same opportunities that we've had. If you can help and support our wonderful cause this year, please do. It will make a real difference to children across the country who really do need your support, and maybe we can give them a brighter Christmas than they might have had otherwise. Thank you so much for anything you can do, and my friends and I would like to wish you a ho ho ho.